Now we start the expansion of determinant of matrix of order 3. Now consider a general determinant of order 3 by 3. It consists of elements A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. We can expand the determinant either from the row or from the column. The value of the determinant is remain same if we expand it along the row or column. In fact, we can expand it along any row, row 1, row 2 or row 3 or column 1, column 2 or column 3. The value of the determinant is remain same. Now first we study how to expand the determinant along first row. First row means A11, A12, A13. So step 1, we first multiply the element A11 by the determinant obtained by deleting the first row and first column. I repeat, deleting the first row and first column. So when we delete first row and first column, the remaining determinant is A22, A23, A32, A33. We multiply this determinant with A11. Second step, second element of the row 1 is A12. So A12 is multiplied by the determinant obtained by deleting first row and second column of the determinant A. First row and second column, because A12 means first row, second column. See, so we delete these elements. The remaining determinant is A21, A23, A31, A33. Clear? The element consists of the row 1 and column 2. So we delete these elements. Remaining elements are in the determinant. This determinant is multiplied by A12. Step 3. Step 3 means our third element is A13. A13. So A13, our third element is A13 means first row, third column. So obtain the determinant by deleting first row and third column. A13 means this. So remaining determinant is A21, A22, A31, A32. This will be multiplied by A13. Clear? So now we find out the value of the determinant A is A11 first step 1 wale element minus second step plus third step. Now the question is why these two are plus and middle is minus? Because 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 is even number. So for the even number we put up the plus sign. For the odd, sum of I plus j is odd. Then we put up the minus. I repeat, the sum of indices yani I plus j. If I plus j is even, then sign is plus. If I plus j is odd, then sign is minus. Here 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 is even, so sign is plus. 1 plus 2 is 3, so 3 is odd, so sign is minus. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 is even, so sign is plus. Clear? So, step 1 determinant minus step 2 determinant plus step 3 determinant. After solving this gives us the value of determinant A. Come to the example. Example 3. Evaluate determinant A. This is given to us determinant A. So I give you first the working. We expand it along row 1. Row 1. So here first element is 3. 3. 3. Now delete the first row and first column. Remaining determinant is 2, 1, 1, minus 1. Open the determinant. Same method. Cross multiply with minus sign. So 2 minus 1. So this gives us minus 9. Step 2. Second element is minus 2. So delete the first row and second column. First row, क्योंकि look at this minus 2 is in the first row and it is in the second column. So leftover determinant is 1, 1, 0, minus 1. And minus 2 is outside. Multiply this. This gives us minus 1, minus 0. And in second step we put up the minus sign. Remember 1 plus 2 is 3. I told you earlier, first term is plus, second is minus, and third is again plus. In the method I explain you, first is plus, then minus, and then plus. So for the second we put up the minus sign. So this minus minus become plus 2. So value of this determinant is minus 2. Now step 3, third element. Third element is 4. 4 is in the first row and third column. So open this. 4. 4 remaining determinant is 1, 2, 0, 1. So value is 4. Now adding all these 3, minus 9 plus minus 2 plus 4. This gives you the value of determinant A is minus 7. I hope all of you understand the method of solving the determinant 3 of order 3. For this you must remember the sign to be taken before each of the term. I told you either you take I plus j, sum of these two is, if it is even, then sign is plus, and if this sum is odd, then sign is minus. Either you understand with this, or you multiply minus 1 to the power I plus j, or you remember this order. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. Means it should be alternate with plus, minus plus. Plus then alternate in second. Here plus, so next is minus. Minus का alternate plus, plus का opposite is minus. Then it's opposite, minus opposite plus, plus opposite minus, minus opposite plus. So remember this, in first row and third row it starts from plus, plus, minus, plus. In second row it starts with minus, minus, plus, minus. Same way for the column also. So sign to be taken before each of the three terms can be formed by using the following diagram. Either you remember this diagram or you follow the rule that I plus j is even, then sign is plus. If I plus j is odd, then sign is minus. Otherwise, it is always remember one is plus, second is minus, alternate we have to take. And remember this, the value of determinant is not changed if it is expand along any row or column. Either we expand along row 1, row 2 or row 3 or column 1, column 2, column 3. The answer is remain same. And it is easier, for easier calculation, we shall expand the determinant along that row or column which contain maximum number of zeros, so that our calculation is easy. Now come to the example. Question number 5 of your exercise 4.1. Evaluate the determinant. Now look at this determinant. Here second row consists of 2 zeros. So we expand this determinant along second row. Second row means R2. R2. I expand this along R2. Here first element is 0. So we cut the second row and first column because 0 belongs to second row and first column. So this 0 is multiplied by the leftover the determinant -1, -2, -5, 0. And remember, in second row we start with minus. Multiply by minus. So minus 0 से multiply कर रहे हैं. So determinant of this value, value of this determinant multiplied by 0 gives us the answer 0. Second element is again 0. Now this 0 is in the second row and second column. So left over the determinant is 3 minus 2, 3, 0. And sign is plus because alternate sign minus plus. So this determinant is multiplied by 0 gives us the answer is 0. Now third element is here -2. -1, sorry. Second row -1. So second row, third column is cancelled out. So -1 is multiplied by the leftover the determinant 3 -1, 3 -5. Remember the sign is minus plus minus. So here we put up the minus sign here. Now when we solve the determinant, its value is -12. So 0 plus 0 plus -12. So value of the determinant is -12. Now evaluate determinant A. So I give you the direct method. I expand it along the row 1. Row 1, 3. So this first row, first column, left over the determinant, minus of -2, cancel out first row and second column, left over the determinant, plus 3, first row, third column is deleted, so left over is